EQOfluids sliding coupling allows you to make a connection when you don't have enough space to move the pipes. Slide the coupling inside the pipe, come back and be sure to put the coupling in the middle where the pipe is marked. Tighten the nuts and use a key, but stop as soon as the pipe starts to turn so the ring can do its job by gripping the pipe. By gradually putting the system under pressure, the clamp ring tightens further and cuts into the surface of the pipe. This ensures the fitting cannot slip off. Follow all these steps to make a connection in a place.